This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Nakajing pau perthai ka Kynnoh sha shot Dusmon u Samla Getwen Kyrwoh khat khandai snam karta haki Pulit ka Sohra police station kala punlong yo ba Herbert Kharkongor SPCT ka East Khasiels district ban ai ka jing penshai Halor ka ni habakran sakilat pathai kubor ha kanok phai sngi jok ka nyau tarik unai tung araja arpusan uba Herbert ulaong ba ka Jingshah khot jang u sha police station ka dei hadin bola sho yo wi brio blai thu kerteng ko mu job ma jaw ha ka bola berngam ru yo u haki ba bun rukam Uloong bau new Samla ha gajing lit thuat ki Pulit ula pet penban but day ha kalai tari unai tung araja arpusan baka kemi jong uhi kan sawan yalam yu sha police station nalor kata uloong ru bahabaya day baga Kynnoh sha shot Dusmon nagalyang SP ka East Khasiels district ula benchat yakakam ban Jingtohkit banya Halor kani hau SDPU ka Sohra bat ban IT yakakai pot hapo shitayo bat kumta ansale pat yakabadon kam
On the 1st of July, Sohra police station they have received a complaint from the Rambashnong of Mogise village on Sohra, where there was this one person who had assaulted another person whose name is Majao from the same village, and accordingly he had also challenged the clan using filthy language and also threatened this Mr. Job that Majao that he threatened him and shown this private part also, and accordingly seeing this the village darbar they had summoned the concerned person on 20 he had summoned him on the 1st of July 2025 but he failed to appear. Okay. Initially, they had also summoned him on the 28th, but again he had failed to come and report before the village elders. Then, accordingly, they had filed the FIR on the 01/07/2025, and then the police they got information from the village also sources that they tried to apprehend him, but actually when they went to the village where he was told that he was found, but he was not there, he had already fled away. Then on the 3rd his mother brought him to the Thana, and accordingly he was brought to the Thana, and then he was kept in the police station, and later on his mother had come and taken his son back, and accordingly like today also we had received another complaint from the mother where she had alleged that her son had been assaulted, and regarding this matter an order had been already been passed by the superintendent of police ordering the subdivisional police officer of Peninsula to conduct an inquiry into the allegations and into the matter, and also to submit his report by this weekend, and accordingly depending upon the outcome of the report, necessary action will be initiated. That's what I'm telling. The report is like that, but we will inquire into it, and an officer of the level of a gazetted officer, a subdivisional police officer, he will be doing the inquiry and submit it early. See, the human right is there, and it is their right also to send, and for us police also it's a duty to inquire and find the facts, and depending upon the facts necessary action will be taken.
Habatin page bahagi kishap kashap plus F
ka plus F
hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet namar kata habathiru atau khaw kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashap plus F haka jingsom yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
lawan ra shapi lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya